The road, according to the resident, has become a death trap and has already claimed lives over the years due to its deplorable nature, which needs urgent attention from government. The residents enumerated the economic benefits of fixing the roads, which according to them is the shortest route between the regional capital Ho and Keta, the municipal capital, as well as other towns in the southern part of the region. The Anlo Afiagba Road, when constructed, will greatly improve on the economic activities of the residents and also generate more revenue for the Keta Municipal Assembly. The dust from the road is also affecting residents negatively and also makes it very difficult for businessmen and women, especially shop owners, to display their goods in the open. Let's listen to a shop owner at the Afiagba Junction.
Please, as you can see, the road is not good for us. So you people should play hard and do something about it. It's affecting us here because of the dust. So as for me, I have to come to the work early, around 6 o'clock. Before I will do something fast. Otherwise, I will be late from work. So I have to clean the thing around. I will waste time like 3 hours before I will sit down. So we are pleading with the government to do something serious about this issue because it's affecting us. It's collapsing our business. Please, we beg you.
Car owners, commercial drivers, and motorbike riders, popularly called Okada riders, are most affected as they spend more money in the maintenance of their vehicles and bikes to still be in business.
Yes, my name is Eddie Palmer. Yes, my mom comes from this community, which is Afiagba. Almost for the past several years now, I drive on this same road, and this is how the road looked like. I quite remember this road was constructed not even 10 years down the lane when we were driving on it. It tells how bad some of our contractors are. But then, what are our, let me say, authorities doing? Don't we have MCs on this road? Don't we have MPs? We always give our power to them for them to go and speak on our behalf. Yet we don't see anything good coming out of this road. In any case, it is a bitumen that has been mixed with, let me say, gravel. All they needed to do is just reshape the road. If you cannot even put the bitumen back on the road, reshape the road for the community or the citizens to drive on the road. But what sort of this thing is this? I challenge the MC. If he really is on top of his job, it is his duty for him to fix this road. It is his duty. I don't pay my tax to anybody. After all, the fuel I've been buying from Accra and driving all to these places, I've been told there are levies on this thing, and it is their duty for them to fix the road. Most of the people living in this community, it is these motorcycles they've been using, and well, if I am to be very a little bit this thing, maybe they don't pay so much about the fuel, but we who pay for fuel, we who pay for fixing of our cars and all the spare parts and all those things, it is really having a tailing effect on us. I am telling you. You drive all the way from a far place, a distance area. Immediately you get to Afiagba Junction, then crisis starts because you start thinking of how you can cross this about less than 5-kilometer road, and you start crying. Much as I cry for myself, I equally cry for the people in this community, especially the elderly ones, the pregnant ones, those sick. I am going to pick my sick mom now to drive on this road. I am just feeling on how to drive on this road back to Accra with her. So, well, I don't need a demonstration or something like that, but there are eminent people from this community. They should challenge the MC, for the MC to temper justice with mercy, that we don't pay our taxes to anybody. We pay our taxes to the government. He is the government appointing here, so he should fix the road. I rest my case for now. Probably I look forward the next time I drive to this community, this road at least should be re-gravel or reshaped, if not the bitumen being put on it. Thank you very much.
So this is the road from Peta Junction to Afiagba, and the road is very, very bad. And most of us have gotten accidents. We normally struggle before start the journey from the junction before to the Afiagba. So if only the government can do something concerning about for us, we'll be very happy. So most of the passengers have been complaining that the road is not good, so they cannot join the motor. Yeah, that's what they have been saying, and we suffer a lot. At times when we come to the road, maybe you will not get 20 cities served. Yeah, that's our problem.
The president declared 2020, 2021, and also 2022 years of roads, but yet some major districts in the Volta region are yet to get their fair share of the roads promised by the president, a situation which has been a worry to the residents in some parts of the region, especially the Keta municipality. It is the hope of the residents who have already started contributing funds among themselves to fix the roads that the president listens to their plea and do something urgent about the situation. The residents of Anlo Afiagba have so far contributed 30,000 Ghana cedi for the reshaping of the Anlo Afiagba Haveti Road as they wait for government to do something about their situation. Ivy Satoji, Joy News, Anlo Afiagba.